This Halloween, I wasn't planning to dress up, but I decided to throw together a last minute look using only Daiso Makeup. They're budget friendly and then it's also simple, and I thought how fun. So let's see what I came up with. Just keep on watching. Just got back from Daiso. Got this headband, some brushes, a jewelry lipstick, sponges, poreless powder in white, a black eyeliner, and a black lipstick. This may be for another look, but this is a devil hairpin thing. Might do this tomorrow. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I figured I'd just throw it on and see what happens. This looks cool, but I don't know if I could do that, but I will try to do something similar. I also have some of this leftover white makeup, so I'm gonna try this. This could get messy. Wow, that is white. Not sure if I want to do my whole face because I don't really have that much time right now. Maybe I'll just do half. Almost all there. Don't forget to go down here. I don't know if it's because I don't have any base on, but this is looking a bit blotchy. I think that's as white as it's gonna get. So I'm doing this really last minute. So if you guys are also getting ready for a Halloween party and you need something last minute, this can be pretty quick. Now I'm just using the white powder and setting all of this cream liquidy foundation. I do feel like it's a bit blotchy. I don't have gray, so I'm gonna try this gray eyeshadow here. It's called That's Cool. So I'm gonna use this gray eyeshadow as my contour. I think it's coming out okay. So I'm taking some of this orangey color. I'm literally taking this big brush and just going in a circle. I'm honestly like not really sure how this is gonna look at all, but that's the fun thing about doing Halloween makeup, is you never know how it'll turn out, and if it's crazy looking, it's okay. Now I'm taking another orangey type of color that's dark, and I'm just gonna make it darker around my eye. I'm not exactly following this makeup look I just showed you guys. I'm kind of just rolling with it and seeing what happens. And it's okay if it looks messy, because it can look messy for this look. Heck, it could change to a whole new look. It might not even have to be a Day of the Dead makeup. You could maybe even make yourself look like a zombie, like half zombie. But yes, let's see how this is gonna turn out. The thing about getting creative with makeup is you kind of just have to play with it. I mean, the beauty of it is it'll just wash right off, right? So if you mess up, Halloween can be that time where it's okay to mess up. Hey, this might look like a really good smoky eye though, don't you think? I'm gonna be picking up my kids from school soon. Today's not Halloween again. I don't know if I said that yet. It's actually tomorrow, but I wanted to film this look for you guys to show you that if you forgot to get a costume and you want a last minute look, then there you go. If I could do it, you can do it too. So in a video I did a while back, I laminated my brows, so they're still pretty good and laminated. It's about 3 weeks now, and it still looks pretty decent. For this side of my brow, I think I'm gonna try black now. Let's make some lines. We're gonna make this a little hairy looking. Whoa, dang, she's not playing. That is black. Oh man, this might look crazy. It's looking crazy. I'm kind of looking at a mirror. I think I made these lines a little too thick. But it's okay. Because we're just playing. Talk about brow lamination. Look how crazy hairy that's turning out. Now for the eyeliner. I think I'm gonna just make this a super thick black messy eyeliner, because I'm gonna put on some contacts and maybe make this really pop out. And if you have light contacts or light eyes next to a really dark eye like this, it will really pop. I just randomly thought to connect it right here. I don't know if I like that. I think I'm gonna smudge it. Okay, I'm gonna smudge it with some black and dark brown eyeshadow. Just so it doesn't look like a strong liquid liner right there. I think that looks better. I ended up pulling out the shadow a little bit more. Not sure if I like that, but it's already done. Now for this lipstick. I'm going to try the jewelry lipstick. Honestly, I don't really expect much with this. Like, I don't think it's gonna show up. Okay, well, let's try. It just looks like a pink. Oh, it's minty. It just looks like a pink, really shiny lip. It's really pink. This is the color all over, and it looks just like pink there and light pink, and I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna add some black. I'm taking this off. Can't go wrong with red, so we're gonna do the Fenty in Fiyaproof. Okay, so this side is gonna be somewhat normal. That's why I filled it to where it's at. But this side, I think I wanna outline it with black. First, I'll start with this black lipstick right in the outer corner, so it looks crazy like that. Now I'm gonna do the lip liner. Well, technically it's an eyeliner, so it looks like that. But now I want to extend it a little longer, but I think I'll do the liquid liner for that. Got my liquid liner. Hope I don't mess this up. That's looking cool. Next is this skeleton hole thing that's supposed to be on the nose, and I'm going to use the lipstick for that. Now I'm going to also do some eyeliner to make it really clean. Oh, there's still lipstick on here. Okay, that's done, and now a little bit of glam on this side. I don't really want to do too much on this side, so I'm just gonna do a little soft glam here. Add a little bit of bronzer. A lot of it. Maybe I'll add a wing liner on this side too. I think something needs to happen in the middle here, because it just looks weird. I think I'm gonna just draw a line randomly down the center like this. Oh man, I hope I didn't mess it up. But it's happening. Oh, I don't know what happened here. And here. Maybe I'll take a flat brush like this, and I'll use a light brown. No, not brown. we want all black and gray on this side, so I think I'm gonna do the grayish color that we use for contour and just kind of smudge it in to this area, because I want to make it look like it's kind of hollow. I don't know if that's right, hollow, or just I just want to blend it. I don't know what that is. If I want it, I don't know what the word is. I just want to blend that though. So the same color that I used for the grayish contour is the same color I'm using for the line. So I want to blend this out up to the line. Let's start with this color, and I want to do a black color after that. Make sure to blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and go close to the line and blend that out. But I want to keep it kind of thin because I don't want it to look like a black blend. I just want this to look like it's going from dark to light. That makes sense? You want to make sure it's really nice and clean, and then blend, blend, blend. If it's not looking soft enough, you can go back with the grayish color and the bigger brush, go close to that line and blend, blend, blend. I think I'm supposed to also make lines on this side, like how the picture looks like. Okay. Oh, I messed up already. Now I've got the lines. Oh, forgot the bottom. Now that I got the lines, I think I'm gonna clean it up with the pencil. It's like, oh no, this is not good. It's not coming out clean. Yeah, that's bad. I tried to clean it with a Q-tip and that didn't work. When you mess up on the white makeup part, I know I said it's okay if it's messy, but that one can't be messy. The pencil's not gonna work for making these lines, which means I'm going to have to stick to doing the liquid liner. But of course, my liquid liner is starting to dry up and it doesn't want to make a line anymore. Maybe no one's gonna notice that these lines are messed up. Yep, the eyeliner is done. Okay, I think that's it. So I am going to do my hair and put on that headband and see how the final look looks like. And here you have it. Here is the complete look, and I'm just showing it here under the bathroom light. And this is how it looks under the natural light in the bathroom. And here it is in natural light in the bedroom. This was such a fun look to create, and I just want to remind you to have fun with your own look and make it your own, because as you can see, I didn't follow the look completely. I just got inspired and did my own version. If you like Daiso Halloween looks, don't forget to subscribe. I've got more beauty and wellness inspo coming soon.